Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you've never been here. We are trying out another magnet lash. Last one did not go well, but this one is with a magnet eyeliner from Kiss. Magnet liner, double strength magnet on 5 points. Lasts up to 16 hours. Wind resistant, reusable, no smudge. So let's get into this. 2 easy steps. Line with Kiss magnetic liner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. Wouldn't have thought of that. 2, lash right onto the applied liner. Okay, let's try it. So I put eyeliner on for today, and it looks really weird because I never wear eyeliner, and it's probably not going to last because my eyeballs hate makeup. I feel like if you're not good at eyeliner, this won't work very well for you. This is what the applicator stick looks like. I'm trying to get it as close to my eyelashes as possible because that's where I want my lashes to be. 1 down, 1 to go. Question is, will this last with my watery eyes? See, normal liner does not last. Okay, liner applied. Very easy to apply this. All you need is like basic liner knowledge. Okay, now we're gonna wait for it to dry to apply the lashes. They don't come with a applicator thingy, so maybe I'll just use my own for one and try with my fingers for the other one. Dry, 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 dry. The actual eyeliner I put on is already coming off, so we'll see how long the magnetic liner lasts. How do I know if it's dry? We applied 2 to 3 more coats for maximum strength. I guess I should have read the tips first, so now I need to apply 2 to 3 more coats. I definitely feel like I'm gonna need the maximum strength. I'll be back when I have 3 coats on. Okay, 3 coats later. Let's put on the lashes. It says to not pull, but to slide. Oh, okay. Ah! I'm first gonna attempt to put these on with just my fingers because they don't give you anything. See how that works. I wonder if they're gonna be too long.
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about.
Well, that one went on real easy. It's not really easy to see the difference. With a lash applicator. They go on like really easy. Like, and oh, it's sticking to the thing. That's probably why they don't have an applicator. Okay, easier to put on with your fingers. I think they're too long, though. So we're gonna cut these. Unfortunately, because they're too long, we're gonna lose a magnet. How long do I want them? I'm just gonna cut to the next magnet. Those are so freaking easy to put on. Nothing like the other magnet lashes. I really wish that they were more voluminous. They're very natural looking, but they didn't have any in the like starter kit with the eyeliner that was more voluminous. Definitely easier to put it on with your fingers. That's probably why they don't come with an applicator thing. So here's what they look like. You can't really see them. Let's do a little pull test. The ends come off pretty easy. Once I cut them down, they're not as noticeable, like on my eyelids, like filling wise, because they fit better. Now let's see how long they last with my watery eyes, because this eyeliner that's not the magnetic lashes is already coming off, so I might just wipe that off. So then we can see the actual magnetic lashes better. So let's see how long these last. Okay, I just want to tell you that I took off my other eyeliner, so I just have the magnetic liner and lashes. Can you see them? Kind of. And so I'm gonna come back if they fall off or in a couple of hours, see how they're doing. Okay, it's been like 7 hours. And the lashes are still holding in strong. I really, really like them. Like a lot. These are like definitely tied with the other ones in my likingness. I can't like fully say if I like them more or not because these aren't like my style. So I'm gonna get like thicker ones and see if I like those. And then we'll know for sure if I like them more, but I like them a lot. So, yay, another lash win. Yay, yay, yay. So I'm gonna get the thick ones, come back when I have those, and tell you my final verdict. Okay, my name's Bruce. Okay, I forgot. I wanted to see how easy it is to take these off. So, oh, they're on there pretty good. That came off pretty easily, but also was on there like very securely. I like them. I like them. I don't know if you can see, but when I took it off, it took the eyeliner off where the magnet was. Well, that's not focusing at all. That's where the magnets were. Now it said to use an oil-based makeup remover to remove the liner. Oh, and my eyes were watering today and none of the liner came off, so she's on there good. Let's see, rub, rub, rub. Only my leftover liner from regular liner. Okay, I need some makeup remover. This isn't oil based, so we'll try. It says it takes off waterproof mascara. Oh yeah, it's going on. That was on there good. Oh no, the air conditioning. We like her. Goodbye. Hello, I'm back. I ordered more fuller lashes so I can test those to see how I actually like them because I'm more of a fuller lash girl. I end up ordering 2 types because I couldn't really tell the difference online, so I didn't know which one I wanted and I couldn't find them in store. So these are the 06s. They have more of like little clusters, if you know what I'm talking about. And then I ordered the 05. I already cut these to shape my eye, but these are more like all more thicker, I guess. So I'm gonna try both on to see which one I like the best. I didn't cut the 06 yet, and I just cut the 05s the same length as the ones that came in, not the same length, the same length as I cut the ones that came in the kit with the glue or the eyeliner. Honestly, I like them both. Honestly, you could I'm pretty sure you could double up. I might try that too. So this is the 05. I think, yes, 05 and 06. This is what they look like next to each other. This one's more fuller, this one's longer. So I'm gonna cut these to the length of my eyeball. Oh, they say on there packages. They're not actually O6s. These actually say Beacon on them. Right there. And these ones say Crowd Pleaser. And the ones that came in the kit say Lure. I'm a dummy. Okay, let's try these on. Let's do the Crowd Pleaser. I wonder if I should like bend them a little. These are definitely more up my alley than the Lure. Oh yeah, that's more my style. She likes to stick. That is so freaking easy to. What is my life? These are so cute. Yep, I like them. I like them. Oh, yes. So cute. Must send picture to Miss Sister. I'm excited. I'm excited. Hopefully, it sticks on like real good. I didn't do 3 coats this time. I did 2, just to see how that worked. It seems to work good. These ones are so long. So here's the. I like these too, but I definitely like the Crowd Pleaser better, more my jam. But I like these better than the Lure. I'm happy. And when I did test out how if they would stay like all day with the Lure, they stayed all day. Okay, let's try both together. So like volume and length. Okay, so here's them together. I don't know how well it's gonna stay. So this is both of them, and then this one's the. Let's see if I like. Are they? They're not as stuck. So, I feel like they're better by themselves. They don't stay on as well. But I like them. I love these ones. Oh my word, I love these. So these ones are the Crowd Pleaser or 05. Pretty sure when I bought them, they said 05, not Crowd Pleaser. I'm going to check. Yes, they say the 05 and the 06. Like in the description. I got them on Walmart. They're $6.90. At least the 05. They say 05 in the description of what you're buying. And then on like the actual picture you can see it says Crowd Pleaser. So these lashes give a huge thumbs up for me. I like them a lot. I just feel like I have like, it feels like what your eye feels like when you wear like eyeshadow or eyeliner. You can't even really tell that you have lashes on, and they look so good. Ones that come with glue that you put underneath make your natural eyelashes sticky afterwards, and you have to like super clean them. These ones obviously don't make your eyelashes sticky. You just have to wash off the eyeliner with makeup remover. Yay, love it, thumbs up. Highly recommend these, especially the Crowd Pleaser if you're into the full look. Yes, I love these. I like them a lot. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Yay! Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. I have access to a P.O. box now, so if you want to send me some mail, the P.O. box address will be in the down bar below. And if anybody sends me mail, which you don't have to, I will open it up on camera and show everybody what I get. like I did last time when I got my first piece of mail. Blah, 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 blah. Bye. I cannot stop looking at my lashes. They look so good. I like them.